right? The way we think, right? It's all right here. We just quantified it. Quantified thought. Here's the thought. I call it chatter. This, that's chatter. That's just running. Self-talk is when you come in here and you tell me which one you're going to be thinking about. You tell me what you're talking to yourself about in the middle of the moment for the task. So that's the T here. Now, here's what I need you to recognize. This is the thoughts, but the thoughts equal E. You already know where I'm going. Emotional states, not just emotions. Our military calls it arousal control. I don't care what you call it, man. Here's what we're dealing with is that the thinking brain and the feeling brain. I'm going back to my stick figure fellow. Stay up with me. Now stay up with me on this. When you look at your stick figure fellow, the way we teach this is you have a thinking brain and a feeling brain. Okay. Now I got a lot of neurology and stuff to back this up. And the whole idea about the fight, flight, or freeze is that when the data comes in, sight, sound, taste, touch, and smell, when the data comes in, it goes to the emotional brain first, which is what we commonly call the impulse or the fight, flight, or freeze. So just stay with me. Stay with me. So what I need you to recognize is, let's go over here to my T model. The T is my thought process, my thinking brain. The E is my feeling brain and my explanation here. And what happens is the emotional brain can hijack, what it's called, hijack my thinking brain. So in other words, the relationship between my thinking brain and feeling brain is like a master slave. And I'm going to go ahead and tell you that emotional brain is the master, man. So the emotional brain can hijack my thinking brain. We keep making decisions, keep thinking, but now I'm off. I'm making poor decisions. And when I show up on my action, that's what you got here. Emotions, my emotional states drive my actions. Or in my case, optimal behavior, optimal state. I'm a behavior guy. Being my behavior, or I'm a performance guy. I'm all about optimal performance. So it's a 3-digit code for you. For me, I'm using my emotional intelligence skills, specifically the introspection, self-respect, self-monitoring. I mean, there's 3 sets. There's 15 skills that you and I are doing daily so that I can be optimal.
Mental 5, learning to regulate the chatter.